Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Sweat Wallet in iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download Sweat Wallet in iPhone, all you need to do is simply tap on the App Store and you will end up in this interface. So simply in the search bar type in Sweat Wallet. Once you do so, you will have the Sweat Wallet app, so simply tap on the Get option. After doing this, you need to now double click and confirm the download procedure, and after this is done, your app will start to get downloaded in your iPhone device. So once the app is downloaded, now you can simply get the open sign right besides the Sweat Wallet app. So this is how you download the Sweat Wallet app. So simply tap on create account if you are new, or tap on I have an activation email if you have an account created. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.